So this is a Lister SW1. It's quite an unusual engine. I haven't seen another one in England. It's essentially a water-cooled Lister SR1. It is a laboratory engine, which can probably be seen by some of the more unusual features on it. For example, those obvious test points and the throttle adjuster there. Obviously it's water-cooled, hence SW1. It's got a different cap on it, which is another thing that's probably been homemade. Runs quite well. I need to put some lighter governor springs in it because it runs quite fast, but it runs all the same. So, without further ado, I'll fire it up. I'll get a better video of it when the tank's strapped down properly, but there's an idea of how it runs. Thanks for watching.